This is a Gooniac Balanced fan in the Havoc.
Yes, we've been having lots of problems with it.
It's mainly because of Loctite, but we got Loctite on it now. Let's see how it sounds. That's better. Sounds good to me. Oh, that's right. Sounds good to me. Yep, sounds good to me. It's good. I'm gonna come kind of out on the runway. Don't hit me. Get on it.
Sounds good.
That's way better than it was.
See, knowing my luck, it'll last one good flight on the next one.
Oh, I think you'll be fine. Sounds good to me. Your rudder moved way more than it did before.
They put too much expo on the cab.
It sounds pretty dang good to me. What? Okay, I gotta get out of your way. There, that you can hear by the whistle that it's gotten faster.
I'm happy now that it's actually flying.
Yeah.
I think maybe it just there was not enough, because my house is always air conditioned, maybe there just wasn't enough heat to keep that Loctite from sitting.
Yeah, well, the heat will help. I think it's heat more than dry. It should stay where it is too, because there's... What size battery? The only thing you hear really is the motor noise.
I bet you that burbling problem is maybe the ESC. I calibrated it and it's not burbling.
I don't know what that was. That was weird. Just to be safe, wouldn't hurt. Sounds good to me.
Just have to keep flying it to determine if it's going to stay.
It should. I don't see why it wouldn't.
Speed.
Right there, sync. It always does that. Very nice. Does that like the Hawk.
I'm happy.
Perfect.
Glad it stayed together for at least one flight today.
Oh, I think it'll stay. Perfect.
Next time I fly, could you remind me to go over the
timer?
Hey, Mom.
Okay.
It lasted a whole flight.
We can do it.
The fan.
Woohoo!
Maybe I don't need a new fan after all.
No, you don't.